Ready to launch your virtual assistant career? This comprehensive guide will take you from complete beginner to landing your first client, no experience required. Remote support. A virtual assistant, VA, provides remote support services to businesses and entrepreneurs from anywhere in the world. Business support. VAS handle tasks that business owners need help with but don't have time to do themselves. Digital flexibility. Working as a VA allows for location independence while supporting clients with administrative, technical, and creative tasks. The virtual assistant industry is experiencing unprecedented growth due to several key factors. $85 billion global market. Projected size of the VA industry by 2025. 40% cost savings. Average business savings compared to full-time staff. 70% remote work. Percentage of businesses using remote assistance post-pandemic. No degree required. College education is not necessary. Focus on practical skills instead. Perfect for career changers. Many successful VAS come from retail, teaching, or administrative backgrounds. Age is just a number. Virtual assistants range from recent graduates to retirees seeking flexible work. Admin support. Email management, calendar scheduling, data entry, document preparation. Customer care. Responding to inquiries, managing support tickets, follow-up calls. Research. Market research, competitor analysis, content research, data gathering. Social media. Content posting, scheduling, basic engagement, comment management. E-commerce. Order processing, customer service, inventory tracking. Real estate. Listing management, client follow-ups, paperwork. Creative. Design assistance, content scheduling, portfolio management. Health and wellness. Appointment scheduling, client communication, billing support. Multiple paths to success. Self-study. Free YouTube tutorials, blogs, ebooks. Online courses. Structured VA training from platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Certification programs. Dedicated VA certification from specialized academies. Computer. Any reliable laptop or desktop with decent processing power. Internet. Stable connection with at least 10 megabits per second upload/download. Headset. Quality microphone for clear client communication. Communication. Clear writing and speaking skills for client interaction. Organization. Managing multiple tasks and deadlines efficiently. Digital literacy. Comfortable with basic software and learning new tools. Task management. Trello. Asana. Monday.com. File sharing. Google Drive. Dropbox. OneDrive. Video calls. Zoom. Microsoft Teams. Google Meet. Start simple. Begin with basic tasks you're comfortable with before tackling complex projects. Build confidence. Complete small wins first to establish your skills and boost your confidence. Learn on the job. Don't be afraid to ask questions and research solutions as you work. Use templates. Save time with pre-made checklists and guides for common tasks. Freelance platforms. Upwork. Fiverr. Indeed. VA agencies. Apply to established agencies that match VAS with clients. Networking. Join VA groups on LinkedIn and Facebook for job leads. Highlight transferable skills. Emphasize organization, communication, and problem-solving from past roles. Include self-study. List relevant courses, tutorials, and certifications you've completed. Offer trial period. Propose a discounted rate for first-time clients to build experience. Clear communication. Respond promptly to messages and keep clients updated on progress. Documented tasks. Use written briefs and task lists to avoid misunderstandings. Seek feedback. Ask clients for input and be willing to make revisions. Manage expectations. Set realistic timelines and deliver on your promises. Strong passwords. Use unique, complex passwords for each client account to prevent unauthorized access and protect sensitive information. Secure devices. Keep your computer and software updated with the latest security patches to minimize vulnerabilities and protect client data. Confidentiality. Understand and respect non-disclosure agreements to maintain trust and protect your client's proprietary information. Written guides. Clear step-by-step instructions with screenshots for reference. Video tutorials. Brief 3 to 7 minute videos demonstrating exact processes. Live demos. Real-time screen sharing to walk through complex tasks. Establish your online presence as a virtual assistant with these essential components. LinkedIn profile. Create a professional presence with clear VA services listed. This serves as your digital business card in the professional world. Simple portfolio. Develop a basic website showcasing your skills and services. This gives potential clients a dedicated place to learn about your offerings. Client testimonials. Collect and display positive feedback from satisfied clients. Social proof builds trust with potential new clients. Unclear instructions. Always clarify tasks before starting. Ask specific questions to get details. Multiple tasks. Use task management tools to prioritize work. Break large projects into smaller steps. Technical issues. Build a resource list of troubleshooting guides. Join VA forums for quick help. Your journey as a virtual assistant involves continuous learning and skill development. Here's how to grow over time. Month 1 to 3. Master basic admin tasks and core VA skills. Focus on time management, organization, and communication fundamentals. Month 4 to 6. Join VA communities and begin specializing in one area. Connect with peers and identify your strongest skills to develop further. Month 7 to 12. Add advanced skills through courses and client work. Apply new knowledge directly to real projects for practical experience. Year 2 plus. Develop expertise in high-paying specialized services. Position yourself as an authority in your niche to attract premium clients. Start today. You don't need experience to begin your VA journey. Just start learning. Take action. Choose one skill to master first. Enroll in a free tutorial this week. First client soon. With focused effort, your first paid job could be just weeks away.